seen in our last so many years, generally we see most of the astrologers nowadays are simply recommending the gemstones for your first, fifth, and ninth houses immediately. This is a very major mistake with which most of the astrologers are doing in the market, or many other people who are recommending gemstones through the computer software. You know, like the Jyotish softwares are available everywhere. Online free softwares are also available. So this your horoscope is the right example, sir, which we give it to all our customers who go to different websites and they put their birth details, and the websites immediately the software calculates and recommend you the gemstones. Your horoscope is a perfect example which we can show to other people that we should not see the gems by just putting our details in any software, or by blindly following the 159 formula which every astrologer is doing in the market nowadays. No doubt 1, 5 and 9 gems are mostly suitable in most of the horoscopes for people, but in some cases this logic goes wrong in astrology. What gemstones do? Gemstones simply enhance their related planets' results in your life. Gemstones do not cure the energies of that planet. Some astrologers in the market are also doing this mistake. They are going with this logic that maybe the gemstone, if you will wear, then it will cure the negative energies of that related planet. It does not happen that way. Gemstones simply enhance their related planets' energies in your life. So what will happen? Simply that planet's results, whatever that planet results, that planet has to give you the results. It will enhance in your life. So if by mistake we wear the gemstones of those planets which are giving us negative results also, we will increase the negative results in our lives. So one should be very careful in deciding a gemstone or any of these remedies in your lives. You should be very careful, and you should try to know these remedies from very authentic and learned astrologers who really know the complete detailed analysis of the horoscope. You should not wear gems by simply putting your birth details on any free websites or the free softwares that are available everywhere. Sometimes that can go really wrong in your life. So what we have seen as per your horoscope, most of the people might be recommending you yellow sapphire and red coral and pearl because they are the lords of your 1, 5 and 9 planets. But if we deeply analyze your horoscope, so these planets are also playing a role in the 6th, 8th and 12th aspects of your horoscope, which is the negative aspects of your horoscope. So somewhere these gems can give you some good results, but they can be very harmful also in your life if you will enhance Jupiter, Moon and Mars in your life. So kindly be very careful, all the other people who are seeing this session of ours, that never blindly wear the gemstones of the 159 aspects of your horoscope. Kindly get your horoscope analyzed deeply from some really learned proper astrologers, and then you should take the